my friend Michael, back to learn the bassoon. So, how are we going to put this together? It's very carefully.
I like that.
You're going to open the case. And the first thing you want to do is have a cup for water where you're going to take your reed. Now, since this is a bassoon reed, all of it can get wet, so you can just drop it right in the water, and we're going to let that sit there while we put together the instrument. Move that off to the side. So, first, we're going to start with the boot. Now, sometimes it may be easier to do it on a surface, so you can put pressure. First, you're going to take the tenor joint, which is the smaller one, very carefully, with the keys facing away from you. You're going to put it in the instrument, and you want to make sure that this little black bar here goes over that part, and gently push down, pressing none of the metal parts. If you find this really difficult, you can use cork grease. Their joint is in place. You want to grab the bass joint. If you need. Now we're going to place it lightly in there. Down and together. I don't know if this is on all models, but up here there's a little metal part. You know, to pick that up and make sure that it goes in together. So this is a little tilted. It goes in and it locks together. Right? Then we take the bone, and it's going to go right on top. Now, you want to press this down a little bit and press this key, just like on the clarinet, and get it lined up because it activates the keys on the top. So then, once you get it all lined up, works, you're good. So then, we're almost done now. You're going to turn it with the tenor joint to your right, and you're going to take the piece called the bocal, and it's going to go right up here in the top. It's going to go very gently until this white hat is activated by this back button, and you want to make sure that it completely covers this little piece on the bocal.
Yeah.
So if you need to turn it in a little bit, make sure it's completely covering it.
Yeah.
And just like on the clarinet, if you move the barrel in and out, you move the bocal in and out to help tune your instrument. Right, so we're going to go a little further in. Now we're almost done. What you'll do then is you take your reed out of the water, take off the excess water. You're going to put it right on the end of the bocal there. And that's how you put together the bassoon.